Hi, I'm Leanne Kickett and I'm keen to join this advisory board. I bring my expertise from early education for Aboriginal children, community sports boards, and as a lead Aboriginal community controlled organisation CEO. It is from this position that I address the criteria. I am experienced in managing day-to-day operations of an ACO. As the CEO of Keedac Wheatbelt Aboriginal Corporation, I am required to ensure that documentation regarding assessments of internal controls, financial reports and operational compliance matters are accurate, comprehensive and transparent when presented to the directors. A biannual commitment to attending governance training allows me to stay current and informed of all significant legal responsibilities required of board members. I live in the Wheatbelt in Narrabeen and know the local communities. As an aunt to girls participating in the Narrabeen-based Shooting Stars program, I have seen their self-value evolve, evidenced by increased participation in youth steering committees, Year 12 graduations, significant pathways to employment, and more importantly, stronger family relationships. I ensure support for Shooting Stars program is ready and available to providing staff and activities for events. I'm also an active member of the Narrabeen-based steering committee. I deal with government departments and understand their standards. Keedac primary funding comes from federal and state grants to address psychosocial, family, housing, crisis care and societal impact through programs and support services that build on self-reliance and community empowerment based on the foundation of culture. As Keedac's CEO, I utilise a strong network within the Department of Communities to provide relevant and timely information. As a founding member of the Council of Aboriginal Services, WA, one of the peak bodies advising the state government on Aboriginal issues, Keedac will be better positioned to advocate on behalf of Noongar people. I have a deep knowledge and understanding of the cultural needs and protocols of Aboriginal communities in the Wheatbelt. I am a Noongar Yorga of the Wilman people. My father is Warren Kickett, whose parents Budja is Dryandra and Kabaling. My mother is Diane Bolton. Her father was a Wilman Marman from Woodnelling and her mother a Korang Yorga from Noangarup. I know my bloodline and am proud of my connections through Noongar Budja and the learned and innate cultural knowledge I hold. From this perspective and with my understanding of culture, I align Keedac's delivery of services with cultural practices and protocols that respectfully edify and strengthen our communities. Experiences in areas such as Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander advocacy. As a CEO, I direct Keedac staff to utilise their skills and our networks to advocate for clients and the community. I ensure that staff attend cultural aligned training refreshers to remind them that support and advocacy for Aboriginal clients, our people, must be considered from a cultural perspective of knowledge and respect. Previous board experience in community services or not-for-profit sector, I have sat on local sporting committees, reference groups, interagency groups, steering committees and peak bodies. As Keedac CEO, I provide board members with sufficient information to assist them in optimising the allocation of received and spent funds from the government or other sources through deliverable initiatives. I support the board to actively promote and further Keedac's economic position, imperative to reducing dependency on funding bodies by generating income through self-funding and self-steering enterprises. My motivation for joining this advisory group is to ensure the department can meet the needs of the local community in an effective manner. Thank you. I think this is a great initiative and I'm keen for this to work for my people in the Wheatbelt.